Well, this was an experience to say the least. My computer. Oh no. My computer really did not like that. Alright. That was painful for me. My poor PC. Yeah, this. There might be something a little bit wrong with this playthrough. It's not like I have 15 servers or anything. This is normal. It's normal for enemies to become volcanoes. That's what we do around here, I think. Ooh, more missiles. Alright, time to missiles. Also I have 50 on so yep, they're dead. That's a lot of fire. That's a lot of balls of fire and lava and dye. A lot of dye. Yeah, I think you get the picture, right? This is a run. I literally I don't know when the last time I actually clicked the mouse, used any abilities. It's been a while. Basically, I got Shell Boy, thing of the Duke, whatever it's called, Shell, the blue shell thing. It's in the Royal Tesla coil, Royal Pattern. Now it basically, its first is a hard game, then it was like, okay, point and shoot, then I just looked at things in the guide. At this point I don't need to look at things anymore, that about sums it up, I think, right? It's very scary. This is the most clovers I've had, but I definitely have had more ATG missions. That was a good one. Surprisingly, all the clovers actually have to be from the Lunar Bazaar. Couldn't find any at just anywhere else. The clovers are the latest red item we got, so it's taken a while. So I got it like last stage or something for clover, maybe a stage before that. It's taken a while, but I just thought I needed to record this because it's like, yo. I turned a lot of scrap into these clovers. Oh, okay, they died like that. They were scanning the things. Looked in their general direction. Yeah, this is why this game scares me, I'm just gonna like touch things. By the way, if you see my money go negative, don't be afraid. That's just my money going negative because I have too much money. Because it does that. Money. A lot of money. I've been at this for 3 hours this run. Just don't question how I had to pay help. Yeah, lagged a little. Bit of a lag spike. But yeah, don't question how I didn't get bored in that time. It's kind of a power trip. The adrenaline kind of does you like that. But like, yeah, 3 hours in, you kind of either you kill them or they kill you. But like, I know, yeah. Even if I do die, I still have an extra life. So like, yeah, I actually already died once. So, but you know. Oh, hello. Yeah, sometimes that just happens. You just kind of fly up. wax quails, like little white birds items. Sometimes if you're going too fast and you jump at the right time and when you're hitting a slope, you just go, it's gone. Sleepy. You usually go so high that you get teleported back into the stage. You're not allowed to do that. You've gone too high. Smoked too much weed. The game does not like that amount of smoking weed. Too amount of trouble. Not like it does anything or it's worth anything at this point. Stage 40. Yeah, alright, I might obliterate, so I guess I'll record that because why the hell not? But like, yeah. I wonder if I get to obliterate on the stage, that's fine. I'm not fighting fucking Mercury, so I'm not fighting the final boss. His final stage, just looking at my items, I think his final stage might annihilate, not only... Lag, okay. Might not annihilate, it might annihilate both me and my computer, I'm not sure. But if he hits me once in the final stage, I'm just gone. That's not even like the hardest part about it. Well, no, that is the hardest part about it, by far. Yeah, I'll just evaporate. He barely needs to look at me. Okay, yeah, I get too close to him, and I'm just gone. I hit him with a little smack, and he turns invisible. It'd be bad time. That's not how I want to roll with this. The only benefit is he couldn't take my reward faster, so yay, but like semi-yay. Still kick my ass. So I'm gonna fight the secret scavenger boss instead and get some 15 lunar coins, because it's about how many people to put them down during this run. A lot of healing. You know, you look at the numbers more when you can't see anything and also people freezes. Sluts. I have to say, I've seen this in a video once and I just have to retry it. I'd already wanted to do this. Then I really wanted to do it, so I did it. Now it did done. Now I done did the deed that done, so done it did done it, okay? I'm done. Oh, but talking. I don't think. This video isn't going online or anything, I'm just sending it to my friends so they look, it's a cool game. Or to Nico, hi Nico, if you're watching as far as cool, I guess. Fuck it. Yeah. It's a cool game, bit of power trip. Learning curve is about as steep as this wall here. I've no steeper learning curves, but this one's pretty steep. Especially on what used to be the hardest difficulty. In the top right, you might see is red being monsoon difficulty. Yeah, it's high difficulty. But it's not the highest anymore. They added eclipse levels to beat the game, and every time you beat it, it gets harder. I haven't tried eclipse yet, I'll show you. So yeah, I was saying, I haven't tried Eclipse yet, I'll try it eventually. I haven't done Eclipse yet, and I also, technically, a streamer came up with the term Mayo run. There's 2 A's or something, where it's like monsoon all artifacts. It's kind of cancerous, but like, that's not an easy run. Like fall damage kills you, not one. Yeah, fall damage does kill you. Everything bombs, double enemies, 10% of your health, you do like 10 times damage. You choose your items, weird, good, except in the late game where you get too many items to the point where either you die because you stand still to choose an item, or you die because you chose the wrong items because you're only choosing the best items and you're forgetting that all the other items are like mediocre items that still are very important, you know? Like, I don't know, it's good. Yeah. Stuff you overlook. Yeah, it's not easy. It's less RNG than yeah. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm really surprised if anyone's watching this far into the video. I'm not even sure if this is actually recording. Like, I'm hoping it's recording. I'll try it if it's not recording. Yeah. Those guys are supposed to be hard. That's the sad thing. It's not hard enough at this point. Also, by the way, all the things that you see spawning, those aren't normal enemies. Those are bosses that are spawning. You get far in this game, you're just bosses. It's bosses. As far as enemies. They aren't even like the bosses you see in the first time around. No, it's like those bosses come around maybe, I don't know, go 10 stages. You don't move at the speed of light normally. I have a lot of items. I've moved faster though. That was a problematic day. You can definitely move too fast. I haven't killed anything. So okay, that happened. Alright, I actually shot it that time. Take some. Ooh, brain stocks. Surprised I don't have them. It's a nice item. Go pew pew. But I'm over here now, so it's I don't know. Is there a teleporter anywhere? Hello? I can just fly at this point. It's the fun thing with this game. You don't realize it happening, but you just get more powerful. It's at the point where you just instead of you don't notice that you've gone from walking to flying. It's like, oh yeah, that happened. You also go from struggling to get enough money to open one box to having so much money that your money goes into negative. And at that point, the game breaks and you lose money when you open a box, but it just gets more negative. So it really just opened all the box. It's broken. This game gets broken at the end, but like, it's fun. It's fun broken. This is fun. It's not fun at this point, really. You've been here for 3 hours. You really don't need to try anymore. You can basically stand still and not die still. But this is a bit high. I haven't been teleported back. Ooh, I didn't even know those were trees, huh? I guess the more you know, right? Yeah, they're just so high you can't really see the leaves here. I've never gone that high, I don't think. Not here. You usually get teleported back. Just kinda did it, huh? Yeah, I was saying this game is broken. I'm telling you, it's broken. Broken game. It's fun broken. Still broken though. If you're thinking of getting it, just know that if you want to get this far or something, you need to have a decent PC, you know? Like, it's not, it depends on how many frames you want it to be running, but like, I think this is a decent PC that's still, like, if you do crazy things, it's still gonna have a bad time. So like I'd say what I'm doing now is crazy. And you know it's lagging like crazy. Whenever I get a huge group of enemies, also what the fuck if you tell me what it is. Because sometimes you just can't find it. Especially this level. It's annoying. Like, you get good at finding it usually. You play more, like, just, sometimes you're just out of it. You just can't do it. You in here? Ooh, hello, Stefan. Now that I don't need more clovers, you always need more clovers, but I don't want any more. So annihilate soon. I don't need the scrapper anymore, but scrap is useful beforehand. Where's the fuzz? Oh, it's over here. The sparkles. Here, you see the sparkles? The teleport sparkle. Tell you to teleport. Oh, money. Oh, look at that. Like I said, okay. I don't know why he flew over to me. That just kind of happened. Yeah, but like, just gonna like stand still. There's no enemies. Like, you should admire my character and all the items on it. It's nice. Probably pretty heavy, but like, it's nice. Very nice. This is gonna be longer than I expected it to be. I expect this video to be like a minute. I was actually just gonna take a single picture of all the rockets, but like, well, I guess not. Fuck it. I'm swearing a lot. Well, for the Discord server that I'm posting is to it's a little more swearing than they might be used to. I don't try to further people get angry, but this guy had much going on. I don't like those guys because they survive a little bit longer. This guy's my friend. Hello, friend. Sadly, his hitbox is bad, so I can only stand inside of him, not on top of him. But he's fine. He's a fun boy. And now he's a dead boy. Oh, okay. It's time to go. Next stage, haha. I think after this next stage I get to fight the big boys and then get my coins. I don't think I've ever beat them before, actually. Like, I'm not saying it's hard, I've never done it. I like doing the runs, but ooh, I want these. It's me, friend. Hello, friend! Friend, let's go! I got my friend here, and we're gonna go. Do a thing. We're gonna battle, and we're gonna win the battle. Yes, friend's not gonna help, he's just more support. But like, okay, friend might die. Just gonna warn you guys right here, right now. And friend's gonna die. You don't need friends if you're doing epic games, though. Of course not. Good. Who needs friends, right? I need friends. Hello, friend. You must bet. Allow me to mount you, friend. Oh, okay, nope, can't mount you. Too much lag. Can't mount. Friend lag. That. Alright, as I was saying, don't enjoy all that lag. Friend, mount. Help. Wait, where did friend go? Okay, there. I need to know where friend is. I get sad. Fine. Friend, stop leaving the zone. Really? Really, bro? But do that to me? You gotta load this shit. Friend is having a bad time. Being typical. I'm going to tip you, so. Oh no. Oh no. I like how the enemies are such a such a non-threat that I'm just messing around on these things. These are the quote-unquote friends. They're really rare, but they're fun when you get them. Then you shoot missiles. They're not very strong, but they exist. Distract enemies a little. I think this is the first time I really got to use this guy out, though. I actually have two of the items sponsored. Unfortunately, it doesn't make 2 of them. I would be very, very friendly. Many friends. I need the boy. No, don't bluff for me. Can you... Wait, let me see. Orb. Okay, that's the orb that means we're getting out of here and ending the video because people are effing tired of me talking and making video. That's what they're tired of. Yep, that was a sentence that was probably annoying. You got that? Okay, good. This is probably not entertaining, but probably people watching this either know too much about this game already or not anything about it, so they don't care either person way, you know? Unless they're watching because I have commentary, and commentary makes them feel wiggly inside. I don't fucking know. You tell me. Okay, time to obliterate myself from existence, except, haha, joke's on you, I have blue orbs, and they teleport me to the land of the free. Haha, blue orbs. Ooh, white. Hello, hello, how's it going? Are you alive? So we get the wild one. Oh, this guy does double damage. Because he's that the glass knife shaped glass. I don't know what his red item is. So I'm just gonna shoot him. Can I get a little close? Should I get a little close? Can I get a close? Probably a bad idea, but I think I guess we should hit him, you know? Like, I prefer... And he's also bleeding. Like, he's got, like... Is that 300 or 3,000 stacks of bleeding? It's kind of hard to tell these things. Come back! He's just leaving. Why does he just leave? Give me the money before we have to leave. It kicks you out, I think. Let's make those fades black. If it goes fade black, here it goes. Thanks for the money. Oh no, here it fade. Oh, okay, it's raining. So it is called Risk of Rain. Okay, bye. Hey, okay, I teleported. Okay, hi. It's black now. Oh, hey, I got mastery on this character. Alright, statistics. Look, time. Kills. I died once. 0 points. I got damage. Yes. Damage, yes. That's a lot of damage. Oh shoot. It's like 10% of my total damage, which is this one hit. Damn, wonder what happened there. Damage taken, yes. It's not as much as I did, but okay. Gold collected, I collected money, yeah, I did that. Surprised this isn't negative, but okay. Items collected, a decent amount. Stages completed, enough. Almost a Hitchhiker's Guide to Galaxy reference, but meh. Purchases, enough purchases to make this look like an EA game, but okay. Fate unknown. I think my fate is pretty known. My fate is victory. Haha. And now I get to put on the new skin. Spicy. Okay. Thanks for watching this video if you got this far. I don't know what to say. You must be a little bit crazy and a little bit weird if you did get this far, because I'm probably not that entertaining. I think you're just hallucinating if you see any entertainment here. So make sure to like and subscribe to nothing, because this ain't YouTube channel. This is just a random video, so can't do that. Do it anyways. Fuck off. I don't know. Did this when I used to do YouTube videos, but whatever. Word of the day, Clover. I don't care. Tell your parents. Okay, bye.